Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook. Bang, www.themanhimself.cellphoneforyu.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Now, today's video, I want to introduce you to a product that's going to help you further your entrepreneurial spirit online. Now, I always tell you guys that you have to acquire knowledge, right? So you have to learn about something, whether it be a venture, whether it be a product or a gadget or something. Just learn about something and become an authority of that. Learn it in and out. Know more than the average person. Then the second thing you have to do is monetize that knowledge. So once you learn about something, basically find a problem, solve that problem, then monetize that knowledge that you invested your time and your effort and yes, your money into learning about. When you monetize it, now you have to introduce it to an audience, and you can introduce it to an audience in numerous amount of ways, but this is one of the most effective ways, in my opinion, to introduce whatever you're trying to monetize to an audience, and that's through video ads. All of us are not like professional editors, video editors or whatever, and a lot of us don't even know how to get started. So this product, guys, really is video ads for dummies. This company really allows you to make quality ads for wherever you're advertising, wherever you're trying to get in front of the public, simple and fast. And not only that, guys, if you as an individual don't have something to sell, you literally can use this product to make ads for other companies. Think about it. Go to your local businesses in your communities, right? And say, hey, I can make your Facebook ad $100, $50, $30, right? And that ad is for them to keep. And because you have the license for that, boom, you now have your own little business. So even if you're not making ads for yourself, you can make ads for others and make money. It's all about maximizing your potential. But enough talking, let's jump into it. All right, so here we are on the Video Jaguar site. Now, you can see for the title, Marketing Made Easy. Everything is just basically, guys, you select the template and you just use your imagination. But they have video marketing. You can use it for your social media, whether it be your story timeline for your social media, whether you just want a regular video to post on your social media sites. But it's simple, it's easy. Just to give you a little quick rundown, this is the video ad maker right here, and you can see Taking the Bathroom up there. Once you buy it, right, you get a license and you just put in your information, put the license in, and you're good to go. This is the square video right here, and when I highlight it, look at that. So you get like a little preview of it. And this is the story video maker. So it has something for you, whether you just want a little video just to put up on your website or something, or you want like a square video for Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that, or you want like a video specifically for your timeline on Facebook, Instagram. They allow you to have those options. Enough talking, enough advertising. Let me show you how easy it is for you to use. Full disclosure, I'm going to use the video ad maker. The same process across the board with all of them. It's just different formats for you to plug into your social media site. So let's come right here. And the first thing I want to do is just select the template. Don't worry about the template, guys. They are interchangeable. Like, you can take stuff out and put your own images on there. So let's say if I want to advertise for a gym, I come right here. And I can watch how that advertisement is going to look, and I can choose create, or I can just select another one. Now, before I get started, you can see if I had a project that I want to start, I come right here to projects, I select new project, and the same thing will pop up. And if you want to go into your settings, it's just basically just let you edit your email account and stuff, and then you can log out. So that's the basics. So let's go ahead and start a new project. And let's say I want to do something that look like in the tech world, right? So I come right here. Let's go create this image. See where it say image? I can literally change that image to Pixel Bay, which is going to give me a list of images. Let's say I want computers. So this is the built-in library, right? and they give me a list of like computers, and I can change that image to any of these images right here. These are royalty-free images that you can use. Change that right there. If I don't want that, I can come back up here. I can go to images, get back to the top. I can go to Unsplash, which is another collection of images that they have, or I can go to my library and I can pull an image right from my computer, browse, and just pull out an image from there. For example, I take that image and then I can crop it to make sure that it's fitting or whatever. I mean, I usually just let it crop automatically. So let's go ahead and let's change this image, but I don't want that image. I want, and that image has been changed. And you can see enter your title. I can put whatever title I want. And I can go from call us today. I can put contact us now. And so connected to the source, contact us now, portable wireless internet on the go. Now, before I go on, I just want to highlight something. You see at the top left-hand corner, right under businesses, it says scenes 1. So scene 1 is at the bottom of this left-hand bottom right here. You see, we are on scene 1. Then you got 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are like the different slides that we're going to be editing. You come to the top, you can see you can change the color scheme, the music, or you can finish. All right. Let's go back to scene 1. So pretty much say all what I had to say right here. Let's go right here. You see over 30 years of experience. I can come right here and I can change this to, and you can see 30, 34, 50. So it's not going to let you go over those characters. So you have to be like a little creative, right? So I want to put providing streaming entertainment throughout the world. And I'm going to leave that image right there. Click OK. And then it say right here. Now this image right here, I want to change this image. So I want to go right here, select that image. I want to go to my library. I want to browse. And let me go and let me select one of my logos. Let's see, that'd be a good fit. All right, I'm gonna choose that. Right there, we have it right there. Then I'm gonna go get connected to the source today. And say, don't be confused, call us now. I'm just gonna change that to my website. I'm gonna change this image back to my browsing history. Select that image right there. Right, got it. Choose it. And there we have it. Go next. And then come right here, put my logo. Select another logo right here. Browse. Let's choose this logo. How this look? All right, choose. Okay. And then you make your ending case, right? Like anything that you think went over your audience. Like say start streaming. And see, I'm running over my characters. So I won't put start today. That's what you got to really pay attention to, is the characters that you have. And for others, it might be a phone number or whatever. It might be a Facebook post, Facebook group or whatever. I'm gonna put my website again. However you want the people to contact you. All right, right there. I want to change the color scheme up to blue. All right, so we selected the music and everything, the color scheme and stuff, and now it's rendering. The great thing about it is that once it's finished rendering, you basically get an email. But while it's rendering, and before I get ahead of myself, all of this is done cloud-based, which is great because if something happened with your computer, especially if you have clients or whatever, not to worry, you just log in and you can retrieve that data anywhere in the world. And on top of that, if you have to make changes or something like that, say you're away from your home, let's say you're on travel or something, you can pull out your tablet or your smartphone, you can pull up their project and you can make those little tweaks for your clients no matter where you at. So let's go to Square Video Maker while that's rendering. And again, guys, it's the same procedure. You start a project. You can see one that I completed already. And just as easy and simple as it was for me to create the last video, I was able to create this. And you see, I done it 5 days ago. And I literally can hash these things out hour upon hour, just being creative. And it's not hard at all. You just start a project, you select what you're looking to do, you name it or whatever, and you're good to go. All right, guys, so there you have it. As simple as that. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you the video that we made doing this little example of how easy it is to use the Jaguar video making process. It's a nice, simple, sweet software that anyone can use. Trust me, if you have to do that in Premiere or something like that, and if you didn't have experience in video editing, that little video literally can take you hours upon hours. Now, I just want to let you know that in the description of this video, I'll also have a promo code where you can get 80% off. I'm gonna say it again, 80% off their annual price. So that's a steal, guys. Also, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the video too. So click on that referral link. It's gonna bring you to the website. Select the package you want to buy and put in my promo code. Just remember, the promo code is good for 80% off if you're using the annual checkout method. So keep that in mind, guys. Other than that, hey, get your business in front of people. Start making money today. Hey, it's your boy taking a bath and trying to drop these jewels on you guys, show you guys how easy it is to make a small investment in yourself and get a huge, I said huge yet? Did I say huge? Huge results in the process of investing into yourself. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned to the video we just made.